Yond here. This is American Nation Advanced, Chapter 23 Reflection. Basic upgrades for the whole chapter with, reformatted front pages. Oh, wrong one. With a picture and nice and blocked up like that. Real clean, real neat. Check that grammar, spelling, wordiness, mechanics, all those things in all the lessons. Updated videos. Fixed broken links, broken pictures, all that jazz. If we take a look at the test, we'll see how the kids did. They had an essay question. I think they're all graded. Not quite, I got a couple late submissions. But average grade so far, 96%. Nice. That's it. We had a Memorial Day virtual lesson in this chapter, and I believe one virtual lesson on chapter 23 itself. And then they're right now moving into their research paper. A lot of time set aside to help them with it. But no big changes really need to be made to 23 other than the addition of supplemental materials, which is next year's project. Alright, that's it.